Yay! We are in Clark Safari! Onwards yan, guys! Yay!
Likod.
I love my family!
Love you, Daddy!
I love you all!
Gulat siya eh.
In 300 meters,
Yun, daming
sharp
tao.
left.
Ayun o.
Dami ka naman tao, Elias. Ano, Elias?
Ayun o.
Food and drinks are not
In
allowed inside
200 meters,
Oh, ay, di
turn
tubig lang.
right.
Tubig. Pwede siguro tubig. Kayat! Yes!
Ha?
Dito tayo.
Safari! Yay! Natupad na pangarap ni Elias. Iba nga naman na Subic Safari.
Yes. Ayan na. Clark Safari and Adventure Park.
Clark Safari.
Oh, tara na guys. Sama kayo. Yay. Are you excited, Elias?
What? I'm excited.
Alang ganda. Alang ganda. Hawakan mo para lumapit sa'yo. Hawakan mo. Yan. Oh, kain. Kain kayo, kain. Kain kayo. Kain ka, kain.
That's a float.
Ulang na lang si Santa Claus.
Why is it?
Nam, 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 nam.
No, I'm the favorite. I was the one who ate first. Bigay mo na. Bigay mo na.
Kiss ka, kiss. Kiss.
Yes!
What is this one? Okay, just give it. You're so into it.
Yum, yum, yum.
Hey!
Endangered ang hog deer. Si Elias lang talaga yung ready magpunta dito. Siya yung ready yung attire. Kami talaga hindi.
Ako buntik na, nasa...
Sana in-inform mo kami na pupunta tayo dito, Elias.
Ito pangulam. Doon naman si Iba. Para marami tayong mapuntahan.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Yes.
Northwestern.
Wolf?
Yes.
African wild dog.
You're so happy.
Nasaan? Ayun.
Where are so many
Ayun. African wild dog.
Where are we looking at?
Bye-bye.
How? How? Mommy, how?
Wow! Oh! Kamay ko.
How?
They like cold climbing.
So good, I'm not wearing pants.
Ay!
Kaya nga.
Ano pala yun?
Hindi kasi tayo ready magpunta dito. Biglaan lang. Okay lang yan. Oh, kain. Kama. Ayaw, nahiya sa'yo. Nasasakay na tayo doon.
Ala, mga karaot!
Crocodile.
Oh, doon ang gusto namin!
Crocodile. Crocodile. Ang init sa Pilipinas, guys. Ang init.
They just destroy whatever.
Happy, Elias?
Yes.
See? Elias is very happy. Look. Yun ang ating binayaran dito. Di ba? Sobrang saya ng batang to.
What's that, Elias?
We love you, Elias.
What's that? Oh, sorry. It's the jaguar. Oh, it's sleeping so hard. Oh,
Oh, look. Look.
What? Oh, African wild dog. Again. Whoa, what's this?
What's that?
It's an Arctic wolf.
guys, may Arctic wolf dito. Ha? May Arctic wolf. What's that? Arctic wolf. Arctic wolf.
Nasaan?
Tulog.
Tulog. No. Naku. Tulog.
A Black Panther.
Ano yan?
It's a Black Panther.
Nasaan siya?
Yun ga.
Ah, yung nasa pelikula.
Messi. Ang dati. Ay! Ano?
Ako naman.
Okay, siya naman daw.
Kausapin mo, Elias.
Hoy! Dito nga! Hoy!
Hi, Black Panther.
Hoy!
Hello. Yan.
Yan!
Yun siya. Hi.
Hoy!
Pino.
Wait, that's a snake.
Burmese python. Taka Myanmar yun.
Ako nga naman.
Sabi daw Burmese. Oh! I thought this is a corn python. Albino Burmese python.
It's moving already. They're gonna be made into Hermes bags.
Ano? Oh, it's shedding. Oh, it's shed. Pala. Again? Again? This is what? Ano yung Burmese python? It's on the water. I saw it. Nasa tubig. Yung tubig pala yan. Oh, well.
Wow, watermelon. What?
Again?
It's called a bear cat.
You again?
Nasaan? Nasaan?
Oh.
Sa taas?
You again?
Hindi ko makita.
Ayun. Reflection.
Ah! Ayun.
Isa siya.
Ayun. Labo kasi ng bubog.
Oh, there you're sleeping.
Tulog.
Oh, how did that you?
Ito siya.
Ay, nasa cage. Yeah.
Because you lost it.
Ay, kawawa naman yun. Nakakulong na nga, tapos nakakulong pa ulit.
Ay, donkey.
Malabas muna tayo.
Ah. Ala ka, cute.
Then dito naman po yung mga ano.
Oh, donkey.
Honey baggy.
Honey badger. Ano yan?
Oh, I saw it.
Si ano? I forgot his name.
Sa Nemo.
Then yung sa kabila po yung Great White Pelican.
Great white pelican.
Tatlo pala tong ibon na to. Eagle! Serpent eagle. Ooh, eagle.
Serpent. Find so many cats. Of course. Yeah. You may find the leopard, you may find the big cat, you may find the small cat,
And Ate Cat.
and big cat.
Si Ate Cat nakasali.
And just Lucia! Lucia! Did you see the cat? Here. Hi, King Lion.
Tulog yung isa, oh. Siesta. Ay, white tiger. Puyat, sabi ni Elias, puyat.
Ulit daw, matindang compartment.
Ayun, oh, tulog. Tulog.
Ah, doon tayo nagpalitrato.
Oh.
Yes po sir.
Ano?
Then ang next natin yan sir sa mga bear.
Remember? Yeah.
Next po natin sa mga bear, mga grizzly. Then
Nang next.
mga bear na po.
Sabi, mga bear brand.
Bear and brown bear.
Yan, lagyan mo ninyo yan. Yan.
Sunday niya.
Oh no. Ikaw, ganun din.
The
So worry.
animal that is closest to
Yes, sir.
the dinosaur. Anong tawag dyan?
I'm sorry.
How is it supposed to
Bye-bye.
Look, it looks so prehistoric.
Bye-bye.
So prehistoric. It never evolved.
Ostrich.
It did, but it
Parang
didn't
ostrich
evolve
na.
the same way.
Ayun, ang ostrich. Wow! Bigat daw natin.
That's ostrich.
Ano yon? Pony. Bye-bye, pony. Donkey. Ano ba? Cute.
Ostrich and ostrich. And
Oh,
that?
ostrich.
The one at the back, what is it called?
Buffalo.
Ayan, kahit hindi na kayo
What? Why are you calling Juno? Because you said that's your child, isn't it? Yo, yo, yo.
Ito yung...
Yes.
Ah, front yan, front.
Hindi pa, meron pa tayo pupuntahan eh.
Lagoon.
Lagoon. Rock Safari. Ayan, video. Oh, where's your water?
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms.
Lapit ka doon, lapit.
I will carry
Pag masyadong malapit lang ako.
my shoulders
Dami nila.
as long as I'm able to get the monster someday.
Ano yun?
Liking for you.
Maraming ganyan.
Crossbreed. Oh, crossbreed. Liger.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep into the night, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in,
Ligaya Farm.
Happy. Elias is very happy. Look. Yun ang ating binayaran dito. Di ba? Sobrang saya ng batang to. We love you, Elias.
Thank you. Love you guys. Love you kids. Love you all.